So let's continue to learn our Google spreadsheets. If you didn't see previous lesson, then click on the playlist video below in description. And in this video, I want to explain you how to save to computer our table, how to edit this table on your computer, for example, if you need, and how to upload it, come back to this service. And we gonna talk about share your table. It's as I said in first lesson, it's very useful and very comfortable to work on a table with several peoples at the same time, for example, or you can share your table for your audience, for example, if you need. So let's start. It's too easy. We click File to save our table to computer and choose Download, and we can choose Microsoft Excel if you have this program on your computer. You can also save to PDF, to web page, CSV, odds and other formats. I choose XLSX. And this table is downloaded. I click Open, and I on my Mac use LibreOffice. It's for free, and we can see these sheets, but we can see that this font I don't have on my laptop. That's why it's something different, and some of name of our columns not fit. But let's change something. For example, in the yellow, save. And to upload our file from our computer, we can press import or open, upload, and select from my device, but I go to downloads, show in a folder, in a finder, and let's move on. Drag this file to this page. We create new spreadsheets or insert new sheets in that spreadsheets, but I choose, for example, that, and import data. File imported successfully. Open now, and let's switch and see these changes. And we can see that this font is saved. That's great. So I close this table. And second part of our lessons is how to share this information by the link to your maybe coworker or your friend, for example. I press share, and you can see owner. And if you know the email address your friend, you can type it at share this table. It is one of the easiest way, but I always use another option. I press share and set this anyone with link. It means any people who have link to this table can open it and see. But let's see something. For example, I open in another account this table. For example, it's account your friend, but you can't edit some information. I try to type to edit, but I can't because I view only. I can see the formulas, the data, but switch between sheets, but I can't edit something. For edit your spreadsheets, I go to share, and we see that anyone with link can viewer, but sometimes some of our coworkers, for example, can commenter. Done. Let's switch. to this account. I refresh the page, reload the page, and we can see comment only. I press right button on the mouse and can comment. I can type some information and comment. We see if we go to mouth our arrow to this cell, I see that information, but I still can't edit anything. And if you want, so we can also see that comment. And if we want to get all access, we can change to editor, but all people that your friends sent your table can edit this information. That's why you can protect some of ranges, some rows, some columns to edit. For example, you want to protect first two columns. I highlight it and go to context menu, protect range. For example, it's protected first. I named this protect. I protect some sheets, protect some columns, rows, and set permission. Who can edit this range? Only you. Done. So let's check it. So I reload this page, and your friend can edit your table. For example, he input 18 and change some salary at the first week, but if he wants to change protected information, he can see some information about problem to edit this information, and you can save some part of your table. But if you need to open editor for some person and protect your spreadsheets from another person who can receive in future this link for your table, then I come back to owner this spreadsheet and go to share. I change to restricted, and if you know email your friend, reload, and we don't have an access to this table, and your friend copy his email box and send you, and you can add this email, notify these people, and set a status, for example editor. You can type a message for your friend or copy link and send it by messenger, for example, or in some social media, and send. After that, your friend receive a message from you, spreadsheet shared for you first table. I open it, and he can open or reload this page, and this person can edit your table from that time. But if he sent this table to another person can't edit because it's restricted. Your friend can click share and edit some settings, but because he editor, and send it to another person too as well. So if you trust to your friend and know about using this table only for him, then okay. So if you like this information in this video, then press like, subscribe to the channel, and go to next video.